That's very fragile.
Huh?
What are we making today?
A truck.
A military truck.
How many are these there?
In total, there should be 106.
I'm
Should
cutting
be.
this. Look, I'm cutting this.
Oh, you're cutting the cutting board? Now it's time for the missiles. Like this.
This?
Yeah. All the way at the end, yeah.
What to where's this stuff?
Like this. So at this end, Very
It
nice.
looks like a Leo cutter.
like a Leo from Gundam,
Yeah.
from Gundam Wing. It does. I'll do these.
The other one I want. The other one I want.
We'll get there. And there should be 4 empty spaces here. Maybe it is. Yeah. Not there. In this one. You can do it. I'm not going to do this for you. I know you can do it.
Just
Yeah, like that. You got this. You got this. Try.
I can do
You can do it. You can do it, sweet.
this.
Yeah, see? Don't give up. Very good.
That's one tower.
And then you have to make another tower like this.
And then the other one.
Okay. That little one goes here.
That's why my little teeth are really sharp. Why you are make a wall?
Because you're good at making a roof.
I'm good at making. I'm good at making everything.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, can you put it on these two? Yeah. No, yeah, yes.
Cool.
That's very fragile.
Huh?
All right, so we
Look.
fixed that part.
Look at that.
Yep. Then we can boom on each end. Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah. And then that is, yeah,
What
that
about
goes, yeah, very good. Uh-oh, what was that?
This.
Yeah, like that. I think that's what they want us to do.
Yeah. And then
And then in the middle, yeah, very good. Very intuitive. Then you can put him like this. And you can, oh, actually it doesn't fit. You have to take off the helmet, I guess.